Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today and sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine and let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey, good looking. I sure have missed you guys a whole bunch, but let's go ahead and let's get back to what we all do best. And you know that is cooking and canning. Well, with the COVID that's been running around rampant in our country, things are hard to come by. They're getting harder to come by. So I want to sit there and take you on a little series of what I would like to call backacre, derriere, homesteading, getting back to basics. Now, this very first recipe, I'm going to sit there and show you how you could make your very own sour cream in your own house. So, what we're going to be needing is, I have 1 cup of milk here. I have 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now, you could either sit there and use regular buttermilk and you would need 1 cup. But I don't have buttermilk, so I had to make my own. So this is the easiest way of doing it. 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon vinegar. We're going to stir this all together, and we're just going to let this sit for maybe like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll be back. Well, the 5 minutes is up. Let's go ahead, take our homemade buttermilk. We're going to sit there and simply just add it to the canning jar here. Now, what we're going to be needing next is 2 cups or 1 pint, which would be this whole thing of heavy whipping cream, and we would sit there and add it to our buttermilk. So 1 part buttermilk, 2 parts heavy whipping cream. So let's go ahead and add the whipping cream. Oh my goodness. They got that cover on. Whoa. Okay, I got the cover off. Now let's just open it by the pull tab. And let's go ahead and add this whole thing of heavy whipping cream. Now this will give us 1.5 pints of sour cream in 2 to, I'll say, 3 days time. Now, before I put the cover on, I'm just going to give everything a good stir to get the party all started. Okay, let's remove our spoon. Alright, now you're going to need either a coffee filter or a piece of cloth. Now, I like using a piece of cloth because this is going to sit out on our counter. Now, if it's going to be sitting out on my counter, I like to have it looking pretty. So I always choose to use a piece like of gingham fabric and just pull it down and put your ring on. Now set this off to the side, somewhere where it's somewhat warm in your kitchen, and we'll come back in 2 to 3 days. And by that time, we should have our sour cream all made. Alright, let's go ahead and check the sour cream out that we went ahead and we made. Now, I know what it's like because I had to use some earlier. And, this is what it looks like. The taste is far superior than what you would get in a grocery store. And I'm telling you, once you make your very own, you ain't gonna wanna buy that sour cream that the grocery stores offer you. Why would you? When you can sit there and make it cheaper and make something that tastes better than what the convenience of just going up on the shelf in the grocery store and picking one of these containers up and just throwing it in your shopping cart. Like I said, 2 ingredients and you have yourself homemade sour cream. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share this recipe with others. And most of all, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. You hear?